Ferrero is an Italian company started as a bakery that was later transformed into a factory. After the Second World War, the Ferrero family was the first manufacturing family in Italy, in the area of chemistry. Since then, it began to have great success in Italy that they decided to make it an international company. Starting in Germany, at little time it was extended to France, and from throughout Europe, and step by step it was entering to the other continents. Ferrero has a higher price than the competitors, but it has a value for customers that make them different from the others, since people perceive it as an exclusive product with a striking presentation, with its gold wrapped and inside the hazelnut covered with chocolate. Ferrero is an exclusive product. So the value chain, its main strength is the trajectory of responsibility that they have, since this has allowed all the factors to develop it in a correct way. The importance and exclusivity of its recipes it is what has allowed it to position itself in the position that they are. It was a wide range of products for different occasions and customers. They have an adequate size that gives them a great consumption experience. All products have unique and special flavors, as well as raw materials with which they are made. They are of high quality, providing a specific, ethical, and sustainable flavor. They have a code of conduct that differentiates them, thus being responsible for animal welfare, respect for the environment, and energy self-production. They optimize the use properly of natural sources. They manage the 5 Rs, the 5R system, and they have a certificate of quality and safety in their food, as well as safety toward the workers. The type of leadership that the company has is focused on the transformer, since its organization chart was modified. It is necessary to inform the executive president and the general director, the CEO of the company. Also, it is a leadership system that focuses in a constant fluid communication throughout the work group, which allows to improve the result of the audits. The company benefits from having different visions and strategies by the different collaborators. However, those who make the decision at the end are the president and the manager, so they're taking into account the opinions of their collaborators and arrives at a solution in search of making the best decision. They are of high quality, providing a specific, ethical, and sustainable flavor. They have a code of conduct that differentiates them, thus being responsible for animal welfare, respect for the environment, and energy self-production. They optimize the use properly of natural sources. They manage the 5 Rs, the 5R system, and they have a certificate of quality and safety in their food, as well as safety toward the workers.